Shelby, and today we're going to be doing a room tour of the Cabana Bay with the water park view in the tower building. It's the newest building and it's really, really cool. It blew my expectations out of the water, so let me show you everything. Okay, so we walked in. This is the door. It's just a beautiful color. I love the blue. They even have this little privacy please sign, which is really nice if you want some privacy. And we are on the 11th floor. They do have this all off or switch, which operates all of the lights. So if you want everything off, you would just switch that off. So you can do that. This is just for the hall light, which is really, really cool. This is just a little nook. I guess you could put anything here if you want to put a luggage. I think there's probably a luggage rack, which is there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the luggage rack there for my luggage. I have, there's a closet here. Pretty spacious. Perfect. So yeah, the closet's pretty spacious. I like it. If you want to store stuff in there, that's perfect for you. We're going to look at the rest of the room, but first I'm going to show you the bathroom. So there's my husband. Say hi.
Hey. So
hi guys. So this is the bathroom. There's a light switch here to turn on the lights. Looks pretty spacious. I really like it's just very modern. I think it's mid-century modern theme, which is really nice. The drawers are nice if you want to put your toiletries in there, like, you know. You can also put your toothbrush, store your toothpaste, any mouthwash you brought. Lights are really cool shape. The mirror's very nice. I like this sink. Very shiny. The mint green color they got going on is nice. They got a bathroom mirror there. The floor is even very retro. I like it. I like the, you want to see the detail. It's nice. Okay, got a nice standard toilet. The blue color in here. Got a walk-in shower. Very nice. Yeah, spacious is the word for this place. Very spacious. I like it. Okay. So now we're going to see out here. And then I have my husband Ricardo just open up. Look at the view. Oh my gosh, that's the best part. That is actually amazing. That's the best view I've ever seen in my entire life at a hotel in a long time. I mean, definitely the best view I've ever seen in Florida. If you're traveling, this is definitely worth it. For Florida residents, it was $20 more literally for this view. So why wouldn't you get it? That's my question. You would. You would definitely get it. That's the answer. Okay, so let's see. So this is the bed. It looks like there's two queens. Seems pretty soft. Yeah. I like the colors. Very nice. Just gonna do a quick tour. We got an alarm clock, a phone, those lights coming back again, same as the bathroom lights, and just nice table. You can sit here, eat, and look at the nice view. We are on the 11th floor. There's a nice TV here. All right, nice TV. But we are gonna go enjoy the park because it is my husband's birthday tomorrow, and it's gonna be a great day. Just one more time, look at that view. Isn't it beautiful? This is so stunning. Floor to ceiling windows. One more time. All right, guys, that's it. So if you ever come to Universal Studios and you're not sure where to stay, we made the decision easy for you. You should stay at the Cabana Bay with the Volcano Bay view. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.